Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with cent accounts. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Cent accounts in Forex trading are designed for beginners or those who would like to trade with minimal risk. Instead of using standard currency units, these accounts deal in cents, allowing traders to open positions with smaller amounts of money. For example, a $10 deposit in a cent account is displayed as 1,000 cents. This makes it easier for novice traders to test strategies, practice risk management, and gain experience in real market conditions without risking significant capital. Traders who are searching for some of the best Forex brokers with cent accounts can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with cent accounts. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have InstaForex. InstaForex, a renowned online Forex broker, stands as a global leader in providing a comprehensive range of financial services for traders and investors worldwide. Established with a commitment to innovation and excellence, InstaForex has emerged as a trusted platform for individuals seeking to participate in the dynamic world of Forex trading. The broker provides a diverse and comprehensive range of trading instruments that cater to the dynamic needs of traders on its platform. These instruments include Forex, shares, indices, commodity futures, oil and gas, cryptocurrencies, and Insta futures. Whether traders are looking to engage in short-term intraday trading or adopt a long-term investment approach, InstaForex's diverse range of currency pairs caters to various trading styles and preferences. InstaForex offers a state-of-the-art trading experience through its versatile and user-friendly trading platforms, providing traders with powerful tools to navigate the dynamic financial markets. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4 platform, the MetaTrader 5 platform, the multi-terminal trading platform, and their proprietary WebTrader trading platform. Whether traders are novices or seasoned professionals, the InstaForex platforms caters to a diverse range of trading styles and preferences for those who prioritize accessibility and functionality in their trading activities. Traders can choose from an array of trading account types, each offering unique features and capabilities to enhance their trading experience. These accounts include the Insta and Cent, Standard and Eureka accounts, with Demo and Islamic account options. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, InstaForex's range of trading platforms and account types ensures that they have the tools and flexibility needed to navigate the financial markets successfully. The broker also offers a wide array of educational resources, which encompasses a variety of formats, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and video content. These materials cover fundamental concepts, technical analysis, risk management, and trading strategies, offering traders valuable insights into the complexities of the financial markets. InstaForex actively also promotes practical learning through demo accounts, allowing traders to apply their required skills in a risk-free environment. This hands-on experience helps traders gain confidence and proficiency before venturing into live trading. Overall, InstaForex stands as a distinguished force in the online trading industry, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources They cater to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. With a commitment to innovation, transparency, and client satisfaction, InstaForex provides a user-friendly and secure trading environment. Whether one is looking to delve into the world of Forex trading, explore diverse financial instruments, or enhance their trading skills, InstaForex offers a dynamic and supportive ecosystem. The broker's continuous efforts to stay at the forefront of industry trends, coupled with its global outreach and community engagement, position InstaForex as a leader in fostering a thriving community of informed and successful traders. At number 4 on our list is JustMarkets. JustMarkets is a dynamic and innovative online trading platform providing traders with a cutting-edge environment to explore and engage in various financial markets. With a commitment to transparency and user-friendly features, JustMarkets has quickly become a preferred choice for traders seeking to navigate the complexities of the financial world. JustMarkets offers a diverse array of trading instruments to cater to the needs of traders and investors. Their comprehensive selection encompasses a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, Forex, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and indices. JustMarkets is committed to providing added value to its users, whether it's bonus incentives, reduced fees, or exclusive rewards. Their promotions are designed to enhance your trading experience and provide you with unique advantages in the financial markets. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 as well as MetaTrader 5 with social trading tools. Their accounts are available on Standard, Standard Cent, Pro, Raw Spread, as well as Demo and Islamic account options. These account types are designed to cater to the diverse needs and preferences of its users, whether you're a novice trader or an experienced investor. JustMarkets has an account option that suits you, from demo accounts for those looking to practice their trading strategies risk-free, to standard accounts with access to a wide variety of trading instruments, and premium accounts with enhanced features and benefits. JustMarkets is not just a trading platform, it is also a valuable educational resource hub. They provide a wealth of educational material designed to empower traders and investors at every skill level. From comprehensive tutorials and webinars to insightful articles and video content, JustMarkets offers a wide range of resources to enhance your understanding of the financial markets. Whether you're interested in learning the basics of trading or refining your advanced strategies, these educational tools provide the knowledge and insights you need to make informed decisions and achieve your financial goals. Coming in at number 3, we have BDSwiss. BDSwiss, a prominent financial services provider, offers a comprehensive range of investment opportunities to traders worldwide. With a strong global presence, BDSwiss is renowned for its user-friendly trading platforms and innovative tools, tailored to meet the diverse needs of both beginner and experienced traders. Offering access to a wide array of financial instruments, including Forex, commodities, stocks, and cryptocurrencies, BDSwiss empowers individuals to engage in the dynamic world of online trading with confidence. BDSwiss provides traders with cutting-edge trading platforms designed to enhance their trading experience. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4 and 5 trading platforms, as well as the BDSwiss mobile application and web trader. With a focus on usability and functionality, BDSwiss offers a range of platforms tailored to suit the needs of different traders. And with a commitment to providing superior trading experiences, BDSwiss's platforms empower traders to execute their strategies efficiently and stay ahead of market trends. BDSwiss offers a range of carefully curated trading account types to suit the varied needs and preferences of traders. Their accounts include Cent, Classic, VIP, and Zero Spread accounts, along with Demo and Islamic account options. Each account type is designed to provide a tailored trading experience, empowering traders to choose the option that best aligns with their goals and trading style. With BDSwiss's diverse range of account types, traders can embark on their trading journey with confidence and peace of mind. The broker is committed to empowering traders with the knowledge and skills needed to succeed in the financial markets. Through its comprehensive educational resources, BDSwiss provides traders with access to a wealth of learning materials designed to enhance their trading proficiency. From beginner-friendly tutorials and webinars to advanced trading strategies and market analysis, BDSwiss offers a range of educational content suitable for traders of all levels. Additionally, BDSwiss's dedicated team of experts regularly host live events and seminars, providing traders with valuable insights and practical tips for navigating the complexities of the financial markets. Overall, BDSwiss stands as a leading financial services provider, offering a comprehensive suite of trading solutions designed to meet the diverse needs of traders worldwide. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into trading or an experienced investor seeking advanced tools and insights, BDSwiss provides the resources and support needed to thrive in today's dynamic trading environment. At number 2 on our list is Exness. Exness is a leading online Forex broker that has earned a reputable position in the financial industry. With a commitment to providing transparent and reliable trading services, Exness has become a preferred choice for traders worldwide. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and a wide range of financial instruments to cater to the diverse needs of both novice and experienced traders. The broker offers a variety of market instruments to trade, to cater to different needs and preferences. These include Forex currency pairs, commodities, stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Exness ensures that its trading instruments are diverse, enabling clients to access various markets with flexibility and precision. Whether one is an experienced trader or a newcomer to the financial world, Exness strives to provide a comprehensive and dynamic selection of trading options. Featured platforms are available on the Exness Trader application, MetaTrader 5, and the Exness Terminal. These platforms empower users with sophisticated charting tools, technical analysis, and automated trading capabilities, enhancing the overall trading experience. Their accounts are available on standard, professional, and social trading accounts, with demo and Islamic account options. Exness ensures that each account type is accompanied by a range of features, allowing traders to tailor their trading experience according to their individual preferences. Whether for beginners or seasoned professionals, Exness's diverse account offerings aim to provide a customized and optimal trading environment for all. Exness is committed to empowering its traders with knowledge and skills through a comprehensive suite of educational resources. The platform offers a range of material designed to cater to traders of all experience levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. Educational content includes informative articles, tutorials, and webinars, covering a variety of topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and more. Traders can visit the Exness educational website for more information. Overall, Exness stands as a leading online Forex broker, committed to providing a transparent, user-friendly, and technologically advanced trading environment. With a diverse range of instruments, multiple types of accounts, and cutting-edge trading platforms, Exness caters to the needs of traders worldwide. The platform's dedication to education ensures that users, regardless of experience level, have access to valuable resources to enhance their trading skills. Through a commitment to innovation and client-centric services, Exness continues to be a trusted partner for those navigating the dynamic landscape of Forex trading. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with cent accounts, we have HFM. HFM, a leading financial services provider, is a trusted name in the financial industry. HFM is dedicated to delivering top-notch financial solutions and services, navigating the complexities of the financial landscape. They are committed to providing clients with tailored and innovative strategies to meet their unique needs. HFM offers a diverse selection of market instruments to trade, including Forex currency pairs, commodities such as metals and energies, stocks, indices, bonds, CFDs on commodities, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Clients can benefit from HFM's commitment to staying at the forefront of market trends, ensuring access to an extensive range of investment opportunities. With a focus on innovation and efficiency, HFM's trading instruments are supported by advanced technology, providing users with a seamless and responsive trading experience. Featured platforms are available on the HFM proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Users can choose from a variety of platforms, each equipped with advanced features, real-time data, and intuitive interfaces. HFM ensures clients have access to cutting-edge trading solutions, enabling them to execute trades efficiently and stay informed about market trends. Featured accounts are available on Cent, Zero, Pro, and the Premium account, with Demo and Islamic account options. These trading accounts are designed to accommodate varying levels of expertise, offering flexibility and choice to its clients. With competitive spreads, cutting-edge technology, and a user-friendly interface, HFM's trading accounts are suitable for both novice and experienced investors. HFM is dedicated to empowering traders with knowledge through its comprehensive array of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully curated to cater to traders of all skill levels, providing valuable insights into financial markets and trading strategies. They offer a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, webinars, and more. Whether you're a novice seeking to understand the basics or an experienced investor looking to refine your skills, their educational resources offer a wealth of information. Overall, HFM stands as a leading force in the financial landscape, offering a wealth of opportunities and resources for traders and investors. With a commitment to innovation, HFM provides a diverse range of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and tailored trading accounts to meet the dynamic needs of its clientele. The emphasis on education underscores HFM's dedication to empowering individuals with knowledge to navigate the complexities of the financial markets. And those are some of the top 5 best Forex brokers with cent accounts on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.